In this video we will talk about red wine benefits improve your health. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Red wine benefits improve your health. Red wine is general good for you, but it is important to know the specifics of these benefits because you can then employ them to serve your body better. Over 600 million gallons of red wine is consumed in US and the numbers keep growing. The presence of flavanoids called resveratrol in red wine is responsible for the health benefits. Red wine benefits. There are many benefits of red wine. It has been shown to help prevent heart disease, when drunk in moderation. In fact, studies have actually shown that 1 drink a day for women and 2 drinks a day for men reduces the risk of heart attack for people in middle age by 30 to 50%, which is quite impressive. There are also many other red wine benefits, such as the fact that it has been proven to help lower bad cholesterol in the body. Lower cholesterol level reduces the risk of blood clots forming and blood vessel damage being caused as a result of fat deposits. Red wine also contains anti-aging property which helps to keep your arteries healthy and aids in boosting the immune system. Some people even claim that red wine can play a role in preventing cancer. The Bordeaux region of France produces Cabernets and also some fine Merlots. California is known for quality Cabernets, Merlots, and Zinfandels which are grown in the Napa and Sonoma valleys. Oregon and Washington are also making their mark with wonderful Pinots and Merlots. Only drink red wine in moderation, because drinking too much just because you have heard that it is good for you can be bad for your body. By drinking too much wine you are going to be putting yourself at more danger than before for conditions like obesity, high blood pressure and cholesterol, stroke, cardiac arrhythmia. Plenty of research and studies have shown us that the red wine benefits are plentiful, but it is also important to realize that you have to maintain an otherwise healthy lifestyle at the same time. To get the benefits of something such as wine, then you should also be consuming a healthy, well-balanced diet, drinking plenty of water and getting lots of regular exercise. When your body is in generally healthy shape overall, then and only then will it really be able to prosper from the red wine benefits that are so touted today. So it is very important to stay in shape. Now that you know the benefits of drinking red wines, quickly run to the nearby wine shop or better yet shop the fine wine shops online. To serve red wine, let it get to about 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Open it at least 30 minutes before serving to let it breathe. This will help to release pent-up gases and add flavor to the wine. While waiting for the wine to breathe, get that favorite dish you like prepared, take off your shoes, sit down and relax and enjoy your meal. While you sip your favorite red wine, imagine all the benefits and then thank your lucky stars. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.